Shahbaz Malik, MTech in Biotechnology and MSc in Biochemistry, currently doing my research at Life Medical Science Institute, University of Bonn, Germany. I recently attended the 6-day technical hands-on workshop on Insilico molecular biology and genetic engineering offered by the bdglifesciences. I must say that I have thoroughly enjoyed taking part in the detailed online training sessions. It helped me to get a better understanding of the subject, the extra measures took by the trainer to make sure we all go back home with no stones left unturned. The assignments were a good way to practice what we learned. My doubts and questions were also answered too. I think BDG Life Sciences is doing a great job to help students of science like us, and I highly recommend such workshops to all science enthusiasts. Thank you.
My name is Ruth Nyanduko Okongo. I hold a bachelor's and master's degree in biotechnology. By profession, I work as a biosafety officer with the National Biosafety Authority of Kenya, which is mandated with the supervision and control of the development, transfer, handling, and use of genetically modified organisms in Kenya. I did attend the CRISPR workshop that was scheduled from 1st to 5th of November this year. Some of the advantages about this course was that it had a wide scope, a scope that was unique in that it could accommodate some of the things that I actually did not know. I gained quite some knowledge on the CRISPR technology. For instance, the theory bit of it, I got to learn that the sgRNA consists of the tracer and the CRISPR RNA. And I also learned that the palm plays an important role in enabling the Cas nucleus to cleave actually the DNA at the designated points. I also enjoyed the Insilico experiments of designing the sgRNA. That was unique. I was actually coming across this for the first time in my entire life. I have never learned such before, and as such I was able to gain knowledge. I was able to learn that different softwares could actually be used in the development of the sgRNA. You're able to see even from the softwares, you're able to tell of targets, you're able to tell the GC content and so forth and so on. On the disadvantage, I would probably say it was basically based on the time zones. The Indian IST time, 8 p.m. actually concurs with the 7:30 p.m. time in Kenya, which most of the time is the time that you find the staff in Kenya leaving office for home, and as such, sometimes it could be quite hard to be able to join the others for the class in time, and as such, I would always request for more time, and I'm grateful to my tutor. A special thanks to my tutor, Madam Monica, because she was able to adjust accordingly to my timetable. At times, I could even leave office early in the hope of getting home early, but as usual, the crazy traffic in Nairobi could not really make it possible for me. Secondly, I think probably the other disadvantage was a bit of the bioinformatics information that I came across the work. My background is basically not bioinformatics, but then again, I thank my teacher who was able to make sure at least I understood.
Hi, my name is Ritupana Das. I have completed my MSc in Applied Microbiology at Vellore Institute of Technology. For my basic knowledge on bioinformatic tools, for my it will definitely helpful for my further research work on and thesis work. I have joined as a participant for the 6-day hands-on certificate workshop on the topic of Insilico genetic engineering and molecular biology from 23rd August to 28th August. It was so interesting and so helpful that I was able to understand all the concepts and basic knowledge, and I just want to thank Ms. Monica ma'am and whole MBG group for giving us such an opportunity to gain the whole knowledge on bioinformatic tools in just 6 days. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Kirti. I'm a biotechnology undergraduate from DY Patil University. I attended the 6-day training program in Insilico genetic engineering and molecular biology techniques. It was a very enlightening session. We learned about gene analysis, SNP analysis, primer designing, restriction mapping, and we got hands-on training and access to various web servers and resources. It was a great session, and I would highly recommend it for anybody who is interested in getting hands-on training in bioinformatics tools. Thank you.